Hi everyone! It's Queen! Welcome back to my channel. And ngayon, mag-unbox tayo ng bagong GoPro MAX2. Ano nga ba ang laman nito? Unboxing! It's crispy! So, meron tayong instructions. May nilagay din ditong QR code para easier to learn the instructions. Learn more by scanning the QR code. We also have tips. So, when you subscribe to GoPro, no question asked, camera replacement. Wala nang tanong-tanong pa. Meron din unlimited cloud backup all your GoPro footage. So, kahit ilang shots man yan, videos, kung gaano kabigat man yung video mo, kasyang-kasya yan kasi unlimited ang iyong storage. Unlock premium editing tools at the GoPro Quick app so you can maximize your post-production, your editing stuffs, and, of course, to achieve the best output that you will upload to your social media. And up to 50 off accessories and $100 off your next camera at thegopro.com. So 50% off accessories plus $100 off your next GoPro camera. So you just have to scan at the QR code to learn more. And we also have this wipe it up, and the sticker. We have the white, black, blue, and pink. And of course, more GoPro tips. This is for the best cold weather performance. So whether you're skiing, whether you're at the snow or the cold mountains, GoPro will give you more and more tips. GoPro is the best. Not just the English version, they have the Chinese, Japanese, and do you have more questions? They have it here. Oh. So we have the Type-C charging cable. We have more gears. Mostly ginagamit to pandikit sa sasakyan. You want to record your driving footage or make it something like a POV. And we have the battery. It's a long battery. Make sure tutunog siya. Yan. And then, lock. Ito na! Oh my god! The new GoPro MAX2! Yan na siya. Oh. So crispy! Your camera must be updated before you can use it. But, of course, you have to remove this. That smells brand new. Ooh. Ooh. You have to check the lens. Ooh, shiny. Ooh, so sexy. So of course, lalagay natin ang battery. Make sure na pagka-close nyo, super close talaga siya at hindi kita yung red nito. Kasi pag kita yung red, ibig sabihin hindi siya na fully close. Okay? So make sure it is fully close. Okay? Let's turn it on. Okay. Oh, we have to scan at the GoPro Quick app. Meaning, i-add natin ang camera natin sa ating GoPro Quick app. I-click nyo dito. I'm currently connected with the GoPro Hero 13. So, here at sa pinakataas. Okay. So, yan. It will automatically find your GoPro. So, it says, we found your GoPro. Pairing. So I didn't even scan the QR code. It just says, we found your GoPro. Pag tutunog siya, meaning connected na siya. Make sure, piliin nyo yung language na kung saan kayo makakaintindi. As of now, wala pang Filipino language dito. So we'll choose English. May GPS na din. Voice control. Turn on. SD card check. So kailangan nyo din i-connect yung phone nyo sa Wi-Fi para may software update. So sasabihin niyang, a firmware update is required. Install update. Wait nyo lang. Magkoconnect kayo sa GoPro camera through its GoPro Wi-Fi. It's It's almost done. Don't go anywhere. Downloading update. After na niyang ma-update, magre-restart yung camera automatically. So, tanggalin lang natin yung cover. I'm just gonna record here and I'll share it to you guys, of course. Sabi din dito, MAX2 is up to date and has all the latest features and improvements.
Ha ha ha!